Happy morning, children. Welcome back to our maths class. The last class we saw about multiplication table. Today we are going to see our multiplication. Multiplication means the result of a repeated addition. The result of repeated addition. Repeated addition means adding the same number again and again. Adding the same number again and again. That is a repeated addition. Then the symbol of multiplication, int. That is a symbol of multiplication. Symbol of multiplication, int. That is called int. Okay. Then we multiply two numbers. The answer is known as product. When we multiply two numbers, the answer is known as product. Look at the example. Here I take a 4 and 3. 4 and 3. Here two numbers. When we multiply two numbers. Okay, when we multiply two numbers. 4 3s are 12. 12. That is the product. The answer is known as product. When we multiply by two numbers, the answer is known as product. So the product is 12. That is called the product. Now look at the example. Here 1, 2, 3, 4 pencil will be there. Here 1, 2, 3, 4 pencil. Here set of one group. Here set of one group. Therefore two groups. Here two groups. For each group 4 pencil will be there. Here repeated addition. Here repeated addition. Each group how many pencil? Yes, 4. So you have write a 4. Then another group. Yes, 4. So 4 plus 4? Yes, 8. That is a repeated addition. The adding the same number again and again. Okay, adding the same number again and again. That is a repeated addition. Then multiplication table. Yes, 4 is 2 times. Here 1 times, here 2 times. So 4 is 2 times. So 2 into 4. 2 into 4, yes, 8. That is a multiplication sentence. Okay. Once again, here 4 pencil will be there. Here 4 pencil will be there. Here set of one group. Here set of another group. So 1 and 2 groups. 2 group of pencil will be there. Repeated addition. How can I write between repeated addition? Here 4. Here also 4. 2 groups. But 4 pencil. So here 4 pencil plus 4 pencil. 4 plus 4, 8. That is a repeated addition. Now we can write a multiplication sentence. Here one group, here one group. So 2 groups. 2 into, here each group 4 pencil. So 2 into 4 is equal to 8. That is a multiplication sentence. This again, using repeated addition, fill in the blanks. Fill in the box. Here second one, 5 3s are. The last class we saw about multiplication table, isn't it? So now we can tell 5 3s are. Yes, 5 3s are 15. So you have write 15. Then you can write in a repeated addition. Here 3 is how many times? 5 times. So you have write 3 in 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here 3 is 5 times. So you have write number 3 in 5 times. So 3 plus 3, 6. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 plus 3, 12. 12 plus 3, yes, 15. So you have write a 15. Then third one, 3 4s are. 3 4s are, yes, 12. Now we can write the repeated addition. Now we can write 4 is 3 times. So you have write a 4 and 3 times. 1, 2, 3. 4 is 3 times. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 4, yes, 12. That is the repeated addition. Now look at another example. 2 10s are. 2 10s are 20. Here write a repeated addition. 10 is how many times? 2 times. We can add 10 plus 10. 10 is write in 2 times. So 10 plus 10 is equal to, yes, 20. That is a repeated addition. Okay. Here second number என்ன இருக்குதோ அதை இங்கே ஃபஸ்ட் நம்பர் எத்தனை டைம்ஸ் இருக்குன்றதை பார்த்து ஆட் பண்ணணும். ஓகேவா? அதான் repeated addition. Now look at find the product. Find the product. 1 5s are 1 5s are, yes, 5. The product is equal to, yes, 5. That is a product, isn't it? So you have write a number 5. Here 5 is the product. Here 7 2s are, second sum. 7 2s are, yes, 14. So you have write a product is equal to, yes, 14. That is the product. Then third sum. 10 3s are, 10 3s are, yes, 30. Product is equal to, yes, 30. Dear children, this is your homework. Find the product. First one, 2 into 5. Second, 8 into 5. Third one, 6 into 2. Fourth one, 10 into 2. Find the product of 4 sums. Dear children, take your note and pencil. Write the multiplication using repeated addition and find the product, and do the homework also in your maths note. Thank you.